best AliExpress dropshipping alternatives in 2021. Today, we will discuss about different dropshipping companies that are available in 2021 for you if you do not want to use AliExpress or if you're not liking that your product arrives after 25 to 30 days. So don't worry, I will tell you about top 3 alternatives and then I will tell you about other companies as well. So let's start. First, we have Sourcing.box. Sourcing.box is one of the famous dropshipping suppliers out there, and it has faster processing and shipping, lower price, and easier order fulfillment. Now, when I say it is the best alternative for AliExpress, I say it because you can see right here that they're saying we source products of reliable quality directly from manufacturers in China. So we know that AliExpress works from China and the products are from the Chinese manufacturers. So if you're using Sourcing.box, then you don't have to worry about the product that you liked on AliExpress. You can just simply go ahead and use Sourcing.box instead of AliExpress. Then there is purchasing option, warehousing service is also available. Then there is fulfillment and quality check and private labeling is also available. Okay, you can check this out right here. They're actually saying themselves that Sourcing.box versus AliExpress, in which they're saying that Sourcing.box is a drop shipping agent that is similar to AliExpress. So you can just actually check this out and you will actually like it. And you can see that different partners are DHL and UBI, and all of the partners that you thought you are getting on AliExpress, you can also get them on Sourcing.box as well. And you can actually go ahead and sign up for free, which is amazing. So go ahead and check out Sourcing.box if you're looking for an alternative for AliExpress. Number 2, we have Oberlo. Now, you might have heard about Oberlo, and Oberlo is different, and you can see it is also a drop shipping platform, and you can actually go ahead and check them out as well. For example, their partnership is with Shopify, WooCommerce, AliExpress, ShopPlaza, Amazon, and eBay. So that's amazing. You can actually go ahead and supply your product from any of these e-commerce websites and online stores. You can see that they have product sourcing, that Oberlo purchases high quality products from trusted supply chain, and then there is inventory management, quality control, custom packaging. You're also getting custom packaging if we get in trouble most of the time finding the packaging, so you can go ahead and have a custom packaging. Then there is worldwide shipping, which is amazing. You can actually have EU and US based products as well. And then there is customer service available, of course. So Oberlo is very easy to use, and you can see that start drop shipping on your e-commerce store, and you can actually start your drop shipping from Shopify drop shipping, WooCommerce, AliExpress, and eBay. So go ahead and you can actually connect it to your AliExpress, and it will become an amazing alternative for you if you were using AliExpress and now you want to use something else. So yeah, go ahead and check out Oberlo. Then coming up at third place, we have Hypersku. Now, you might have heard the name. It's one of the famous drop shipping suppliers out there. And you can see right here, sourced directly from top Chinese manufacturers. Again, I'm saying this again and again. That's why these 3 were my top as an alternative for AliExpress, because on AliExpress we know we're getting Chinese based products. So for that, you can actually go ahead and check out these 3 because they're actually providing you Chinese manufacturers. You can see that ship around the globe within 7 calendar days, sync automatically with seamless integrations. And you can see this is how it works. Sourcing from factories, quality control, packaging customization is also available here. And you can see that you can connect your store to a growing online catalog, fulfill customer orders effortlessly, deliver in 7 days. That's amazing. Actually, that is why it's the best alternative, because we know it takes time on AliExpress for the products to arrive. So you can go ahead and do that, and you can import your product from AliExpress to Hypersku and get your delivery in 7 days. So it's amazing. Then next, I'm going to tell you about other alternatives as well that you can avail in 2021. So then we have cjdropshipping.com. So you can check out cjdropshipping.com also, because it has a lot of products, and it also has a good customer service, and they're providing quality products. In the start of 2020, they did have some problems because of what everything was happening in the world, and they did have some problems, but now they have actually improved it, and they're updating with time. That's amazing. So you can go ahead and check them out as well. For example, if I go to authorization right here, you can see there is Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, and Shopee, Etsy, and there are a lot of e-commerce stores that are available right here. Then they also have warehouses that are like Thailand warehouse, US warehouse, China warehouse. So there are a lot of warehouses also available, but I do not prefer using this website for warehouses, especially for the warehouses. So you can go ahead and check them out as well. If I go to right here, you can see that CJ Dropshipping partnership is with Shopify, eBay, and Payoneer. So you can go ahead and use it. It's very easy to use if you are a beginner and you are looking for some dropshipping suppliers, and you're looking for an alternative for Aliexpress. So that you can go ahead and check cjdropshipping.com and look at their website. It actually gives you a little vibe like Aliexpress. You can the color and everything. If I go to Aliexpress real quick, you can see that the websites also look quite similar. So yeah. And then we have SPOCKET or SPOCKET. I don't know what people like to say, but you can say whatever you want to SPOCKET or SPOCKET. So you can, it's one of the very famous drop shipping suppliers, and it is a US and EU product based. So that's amazing. Actually, if you're not looking for Chinese suppliers and you're looking for more EU and US based products, then you can definitely go ahead and check out SPOCKET. They have fast shipment, and you can check them out. Their integration is BigCommerce, Shopify, and Wix, WooCommerce, Square, Alibaba. So they have a lot of integrations as well that you can connect with, and they have online stores that you can connect on SPOCKET, and they also work with Shopify. So it's amazing. If you're looking for an upgraded dropshipping suppliers and you're looking for US and EU based products, then you can check out SPOCKET, and it has literally thousands of products, and the variety of products on SPOCKET is amazing. So you can just go ahead and check them out. Then we have SALEHOO. Now SALEHOO, you might have heard the name. SALEHOO is also very famous, and it is actually a powerful research tool, supplier directory, and online community for dropshippers, wholesales, and e-commerce stores. So what happens on SALEHOO is actually that I really like SALEHOO because it provides you a lot of features. It's providing you e-commerce stores, it's providing you a research tool, and it actually gives you a lot of profit when you are selling your products from SALEHOO. So it's amazing. If I can show you right here, like, look at this product. The product is like the SALEHOO price is 5 and selling online is 12. So you're getting $6 from this product. So it's actually the SALEHOO price. You will get a lot of profit on SALEHOO as well. And then again, they have all the products available, all the integrations available, and you can go ahead, and it's actually not that much expensive as well, and it will provide you a good drop shipping service. So yeah guys, these were my top alternatives for Aliexpress. I know I gave you a long list, but you can feel free to just go ahead and search out these websites that I mentioned and choose the one that you like. This is it for the video. I hope I was big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.